my name is Aliyah. This is our last time to show you the Granita. I'm with my ate and nanay. Now let's start.
So we have here the freeze granita here. So what you will do, okay, show them. Okay, you're going to scrape. There.
Yeah, this is gonna be taste so good. We sleep in the night and it was like this.
What flavors?
Strawberry, Granita, and yours.
Chocolate.
Granita.
Strawberry lemon. And okay, so once you're done, okay, here.
Yep.
And yours, ate, also. No more? No more chunks? No more chunks of ice? Okay, scoop it up. Oh.
Okay, here I go.
Go, Leah. Scoop. Show it to them. Oh, you talk to your viewers.
Yeah, I know. This is gonna be taste good, I think. Okay. Okay, there you go.
Oh, ate.
Wow! Hey!
Careful.
Okay, I'm done.
More. You can put more.
Okay. Done. That's enough.
There.
I don't have more tomorrow.
And
I'm gonna put the lemon.
wait on your viewers like this. There. You have it. What flavor is that one?
Strawberry lemon Granita.
Okay.
No, over here.
She's teaching her ate.
There you go.
Oh, you show it on the
Like
camera.
that.
Show it to them. Your finished chocolate granita, and you too.
Now let's eat it.
Show it to the camera first. Okay, and taste now.
Where's our spoons?
Oh.
I want the switch.
Okay, Aliyah first. Taste it. How is it? And you, ate, taste it.
Show picture.
Later. How is it?
Malamig.
Is it good? How about you, Aliyah? Good?
Good.
Will you tell to your viewers? Watch out
What out
for our recipe
recipe
to be uploaded.
to be uploaded
Where? In
on
our
our YouTube.
Okay. You say bye.
Bye.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Ate, say bye.
Bye.